The world holds its breath. Sirens wail, alarms blare, a symphony of fear. News alerts flash, a stark message dominates screens. 15 September, asteroid impact imminent. The world reels, caught between terror and disbelief. A colossal asteroid, a celestial giant, races toward Earth. Its path is set, its impact inevitable. Time, once a constant, now a dwindling resource. Cities in motion come to a stop, their regular rhythm broken. A throng assembles, features furrowed with concern, eyes riveted to screens carrying the grim news. Families in quiet towns turn to one another for solace because their homes are no longer havens. Humanity faces unimaginable challenges all throughout the world. The end is not some far-off story. Rather, it is the shadow of an asteroid headed straight for Earth. Experts present a frightening image. The massive rock and metal asteroid dwarfs all previous known ones. Its speed is terrifying, and its size is beyond comprehension. A target on the map of our globe is identified as the impact zone. The consequences are devastating: widespread destruction. Towering waves, violent tremors, a global dust cloud blotting out the sun, plunging the world into darkness and cold.
Humanity's survival teeters on the edge.
Faced with this cosmic threat, humanity responds. Some surrender to despair, their spirits crushed by the impending doom. Others turn to faith, seeking solace in prayer and tradition. But amidst the chaos, resilience emerges. People connect with loved ones, bonds strengthened by shared vulnerability. Strangers offer kindness, their humanity a beacon in the darkness. In labs and observatories, scientists work ceaselessly, their minds searching for a solution. Every calculation, every simulation, a desperate bid to alter the asteroid's course. The fate of the world rests on their shoulders. Their knowledge is the last hope against the cosmic threat. World leaders gather in urgent meetings, their expressions grave. Their voices are heavy with the weight of the situation. Debates erupt, fueled by fear and the ticking clock. Should they risk using nuclear weapons to deflect the asteroid? A gamble with unknown consequences. Can they evacuate millions? A logistical challenge of unimaginable scale. Time slips away, and each decision carries the weight of countless lives. Leaders rise to the forefront of the crisis. A seasoned president grapples with impossible choices. His duty to protect his people clashing with the harsh reality. A decorated military general prepares for the worst, her resolve tested by the impending disaster. The world watches, their hopes resting on these leaders. Will they find a way to save humanity? Or will they bear witness to its end? The stakes have never been higher. The challenge is never more immense. The fate of Earth hangs in the balance, and the world waits with bated breath. While leaders and scientists race against time, ordinary people face their own mortality. Families hold each other tight, their love a shield in the storm. Friends say tearful goodbyes, their laughter a defiant echo in the face of silence. Lovers embrace, their hearts beating together as the countdown continues. Across the world, the final days unfold in a tapestry of human stories. Bustling cities, once full of noise and celebration, grow quiet. Streets once teeming with life now hold the weight of broken dreams. In peaceful towns, where nature's rhythm once guided life, an eerie stillness settles. Fields lie empty, harvest forgotten, as the future hangs in the balance. Unexpected kindness blossoms in the face of despair. Neighbors share what little they have, their generosity a testament to the human spirit. Strangers offer comfort, their empathy a soothing touch for hurting souls. Communities unite, their shared fear forging an unbreakable bond. Amidst the chaos and fear, beauty and grace find a way. Artists create works that touch the heart. Their creativity is a rebellion against the darkness. Musicians fill the air with songs of hope and strength, their music a soundtrack for the final act. Poets capture the human experience in verses that will outlive the apocalypse, their words a legacy for the future. While the asteroid closes in, its menacing presence fills the sky. A cosmic messenger of destruction, it casts a long shadow over Earth, a constant reminder of what's to come. Days turn into nights. Each sunrise is a bittersweet reminder of time's relentless march. Hope fades as evacuation plans fail. The sheer size of the crisis overwhelms even the best laid plans. Panic spreads, fueled by desperation and the urge to survive. Riots erupt, order breaks down, and society crumbles under the weight of fear. Facing the inevitable, many turn to faith, seeking comfort in ancient rituals and prayers. Churches, mosques, and temples overflow with worshipers, their voices united in a chorus of pleas and acceptance. Others find peace in quiet reflection, grateful for the gift of life, no matter how short. As the final hours tick away, people make their peace. Families share one last meal, their memories a tapestry of love and laughter. Lovers exchange vows under the asteroid's gaze, their commitment a symbol of the enduring human spirit. Friends say goodbye. Their promises to meet again in another life, a faint glimmer of hope in the approaching darkness. The world prepares for impact. Its heart heavy with grief and a profound sense of loss. The end is near, but humanity's legacy will endure in the countless acts of bravery, kindness, and love that have marked these final days. The moment arrives. The asteroid, a colossal harbinger of destruction, slams into Earth with unimaginable force. The planet shudders, its crust groaning under the impact. A blinding flash of light engulfs the impact zone, followed by a deafening roar that reverberates across continents. The Earth's surface buckles and warps. Mountains crumble and oceans surge. Shockwaves ripple outward, tearing through cities and landscapes, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. Fires erupt, consuming everything in their path, their hungry flames painting the sky a hellish red. Tsunamis, towering walls of water, race across oceans, swallowing coastlines and islands whole. The ground trembles and splits, opening deep fissures that swallow buildings and people. The air itself is choked with dust and debris, obscuring the sun and plunging the world into an eerie twilight. The impact's effects are felt across the globe. The Earth's atmosphere is disrupted, triggering violent storms and extreme weather patterns. The delicate balance of nature is shattered, leaving a scarred and broken planet in its wake. Amidst the chaos, the survivors emerge from their shelters, blinking in the dim light. They survey the wreckage of their world, their hearts heavy with grief and disbelief. The once familiar landscapes are now unrecognizable, twisted and scarred by the cataclysm. In the aftermath of the impact, the survivors face a world transformed. The familiar comforts of civilization are gone, replaced by a harsh and unforgiving reality. Food and water are scarce. Shelter is precarious and danger lurks around every corner. But amidst the ruins, the human spirit endures. Survivors band together, forming makeshift communities and sharing their meager resources. They learn to adapt, scavenging for food, purifying water, and building shelters from the debris. The world may be broken, but life finds a way. Plants push through the scorched earth, their green shoots a symbol of hope. Animals, once thought extinct, reappear. Their resilience is a testament to the enduring power of nature. The survivors face countless challenges. They battle the elements, fend off predators, and struggle to rebuild their shattered lives. But they also discover a newfound appreciation for the simple things. A clean drink of water, a warm fire, the company of loved ones. In this new world, the old divisions and conflicts seem trivial. People of different races, religions, and nationalities come together, united by their shared struggle for survival. They learn to rely on each other. Their collective strength is a beacon of hope in the darkness. While the survivors go through their new reality, they can't help but look back on the world that once was. Memories of bustling cities, laughter-filled gatherings, and simple pleasures flood their minds. The contrast between the vibrant past and the desolate present is stark, a painful reminder of all that has been lost. They remember the beauty of nature, the majesty of mountains, the vastness of oceans. They recall the achievements of humanity, the art, the music, the literature that enriched their lives. They mourn the loss of loved ones, their absence a constant ache in their hearts. But reflection also brings a sense of perspective. The survivors realize that the material possessions they once valued are meaningless in this new world. They recognize the fragility of human civilization, its vulnerability to the forces of nature. They also see the mistakes of the past, the greed, the conflict, the disregard for the planet that led to this catastrophe. They vow to learn from these errors, to build a better future, one founded on cooperation, sustainability, and respect for the Earth. Amidst the ruins, hope flickers. The survivors, hardened by their ordeal, refuse to give in to despair. They find strength in their shared purpose, their determination to create a new world from the ashes of the old. Slowly, tentatively, life begins to reclaim the Earth. Green shoots emerge from the scorched earth, a testament to nature's resilience. Animals, once thought lost, return, their presence a sign of hope. The survivors rebuild their communities, their ingenuity and resourcefulness shining through. They create sustainable systems for food and water, harnessing the power of nature to provide for their needs. They rediscover the joy of human connection, sharing stories, laughter, and music around campfires. They also turn their gaze to the stars, once again dreaming of exploration and discovery. The asteroid may have devastated their planet, but it has also opened their eyes to the vastness of the universe and the potential for new beginnings. Hope, once a distant glimmer, now burns brightly. The survivors, scarred but unbroken, look to the future with a newfound sense of purpose. They will honor the memory of those lost by building a world worthy of their sacrifice. A world where humanity lives in harmony with nature, where hope triumphs over despair, and where the human spirit soars. The story of the asteroid impact serves as a powerful reminder of our planet's fragility. It underscores the urgent need to protect our Earth, to cherish its resources, and to live in harmony with nature. We must accept sustainable practices, reduce our carbon footprint, and invest in renewable energy sources. We must explore space, not just for the thrill of discovery, but also to understand and mitigate potential threats to our planet. We must also be prepared for the unexpected. While the asteroid scenario may be fictional, the possibility of natural disasters and other unforeseen events is very real. We must invest in early warning systems, disaster preparedness, and resilience building. The fate of our planet rests in our hands. We have the power to make a difference, to create a sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Let us not squander this opportunity. Let us act now. While we still have the chance. The Earth, once scarred and broken, begins to heal. Lush greenery spreads across the land, and clear waters flow once more. The survivors, now a thriving community, watch in awe as nature reclaims its dominion. They have learned from the past, and they are determined to build a better future. They have embraced the lessons of the asteroid impact, recognizing the importance of unity, resilience, and respect for the planet. While a new dawn breaks, casting a warm glow over the reborn Earth, the survivors stand tall, their hearts filled with hope. They are the inheritors of a legacy of courage and compassion, and they carry the torch of humanity into the future. The asteroid may have brought destruction, but it has also brought a new beginning, a chance to create a world where humanity lives in balance with nature, where hope triumphs over despair, and where the human spirit soars. The Earth endures, a testament to the resilience of life. And as the survivors gaze at the stars, they know that their journey has just begun. They are the pioneers of a new era, and they will face the future with courage, determination, and an unwavering belief in the power of the human spirit.